be sharing with you something different. It's about a project that Mike and I started in our spare time. It's called Room for You. This mural is for a young man named Oscar, and as you can see, is a Harry Potter fan. One of the things about this mural that I did is I did it on canvas, and the reason doing that is so you can paste it on the wall like wallpaper. I forgot to turn the camera on in the beginning. You will not be seeing doing the faux finish for the stone or the columns, but the rest you will. It was really fun doing this, and thank you for watching.